Hello students of class 7 standard. Today we will just revise the chapter. Only your syllabus has already completed. Okay. So one by one chapter I will just take and I will tell you all the difficulties you are facing on that chapters. So first we will start with the motion. Okay. This is a very important chapter and so many questions will come in the exam from this chapter. So here while we'll talk about the motion, few questions are very important on that chapter. First of all, you just make a list that how many definitions are there, how many examples are there, how many types of motions are there. Okay, with the help with the examples. So these all actually the main thing. So first of all, when we will talk about the motion, one thing will come first, that is actually the rest. Okay, rest means what? Suppose any type of box, any type of block having some amount of mass is kept in a particular place, it is not actually moving. No position is just changed here. The position of this body is just remaining constant. It is not moving in any direction. Then you have to say that this particular object is at the rest position. So what definition will come? If a object will not change its position, will not just change its actual position from any one place to another place, then that particular body will be said in rest condition. Okay, next one, the motion, just the opposite of that one. When this particular object will just change its position from one particular point to another particular point, then this body will be said that this body is in a motion. Suppose initially the body was here in this position, now the body has changed its position to this position. So this much of position changed here. So you have to say that this body is not in a rest condition, this body is in a motion. Okay, now again it is changed to another position, then definitely it is in motion. So while you will talk about this type of motion, one thing you have to say that whenever the motion takes place, then position will change. So first of all, you have to write the position will change. Okay, second point, you have to write the direction will also be there. It will go in a linear direction, it will go in upward direction, or it will go in downward direction, it will go in this direction, it will go in this direction. So direction should be there. Next one, some speed will also generate. You can see here, when the body will go from this position to that position, then definitely some amount of whatever the speed, 10 meter per second, 10 kilometer per hour, whatever the speed is there, some speed should be there. Okay, so speed is also there. Next one, external force will also be there. Without giving any force, the body will not just change its position. So you have to apply the force. Suppose this marker will fall down in this direction, then definitely gravitational force is there. That's why it is going in downward direction. Otherwise it could have go in other way also. So but this is actually the thing, the external force is there. Due to that reason the motion takes place. Okay, last one is that the time taken. Well, you will talk about the time taken, the motion when you will talk about. So from A position to B position, when the body will shift its position, definitely some amount of time it will take. So without just expense of time, you won't be able to say that motion takes place. Okay. So these all are the conditions you have to mention whenever the motion, any type of motion, rectilinear, curvilinear, rotatory, or whatever the circular, whatever type of motion you just discuss, you have to keep these all things in your mind. Okay, so these all things are just actually happening while the motion takes place. Now the next one is very important, that absolute rest. If you talk about the rest position, that a body is in a rest condition, is it actually in the rest condition or is it is in motion? So that is very important. Suppose I am just taking one example, that one train is just moving in this direction. Okay, in the forward direction, in this direction. Suppose here you are standing in this position, you are standing, you are watching the train from here in this position, from here. So while this train is moving, so you can say easily that this train is in motion. Okay. If the train will remain in a constant position, it will not move, then you have to say that the train is in the rest position. Now the second condition. Second condition, I am telling you that the two parallel tracks are there. Okay. Another train is also moving with this train in the same direction. Okay, in the same direction. The speed of this train may be 40 kilometer per hour, and the speed of this train, A train and B train, maybe if you want to give the name, then you can give again 40 kilometer per hour. So both are in motion, both are having the same velocity, 40 kilometer per hour. One person is just sitting here, one person is also sitting here. Suppose this person is X, this person is Y. So what this X person will tell about this train, what this Y person will tell about this train. As they are both in a same speed, same velocity, this person will tell that this train, B train, is in rest, and Y boy or Y person will also tell that A train is also in a rest condition. If there will be some change, suppose this one is in 50 kilometer per hour, this is 40 kilometer per hour, then this one will also tell, this Y person will tell it is in motion, X person will tell that B is also in a motion. Okay, so this is the difference. One time it is in rest, one time it is actually in motion. So this is actually the thing, that absolute rest is not there. Suppose we all are standing here in a rest position, suppose I will not move from here in this position, then you have to say that, anyone will say that I am in a rest condition, but actually it's not that one, because earth is continuously revolving, so we all are in a motion, so absolute term is not there. Okay, so that is actually the thing. You have to just keep this one. Afterward I will tell you the next all the things.